Well, it's been an absolute pleasure to host both Madhu Kela and Sunil Singhania here in our studio for the last Samvat trading session as well as Editors Roundtable. Let's try and summarize it. Sunil, for all the viewers looking at you right now, watching us right now, what's your advice this Diwali?
So one thing, I'm very happy that none of you asked me what the concerns in the market are. So for a change, we are only talking positive. See, I think if you look at India over the last 20 years, so many things have happened, including the last 1 year. And despite that, a lot of wealth has been created. I think there is no doubt that we are in that hockey stick curve, where from this 3 trillion, it is going to be 6 or 9 trillion. So I think the wealth which we have created over the last 70, 75 years, it's going to be created in the next 7 years. And I think that is a kind of opportunity we have. And we have all discussed our mistakes and our winners and all. I think one common trait which is coming out, that if you are convinced, if you are positive, then equity is the place to be.
Okay.
But the challenge is you have to be, one, positive. You can't be talking about negative and investing in equity. Second, you have to give some time. And third, you have to let your conviction play.
Okay.
So, to all the viewers, I think India is a great country. We are all lucky to be in India and investors. A lot of wealth is going to be created.
Madhu, this is what Rakesh used to say, right? You have to be bullish on India if you have to make money in stocks, right?
And we have all learned that after a very, very long period of time, that you have to inherently, if you are bullish, if you have conviction, then eventually you make a lot of wealth. You have to have the stomach to digest the volatility.
Okay, but guys, enough of all this market talk, right? Let's get this party started a little bit. It's Diwali, it's time for celebration. And there's one person who's an absolute party starter from our team, and he's Mangalam Maloo. So he's joining in right now, Mangalam. And I've heard that you are a great singer, Madhu.
I'm not a great singer, but I
heard the word party, so I know. I know that you're a Mukesh fan.
Yeah, I like Mukesh.
Keeping the gains limited, keeping the happiness limited, what pal do pal, is that what you were saying? You want to sing that?
Yeah, we can sing that.
Please.
Yeah, please. Why, you are going to sing or I am?
No, you're the one to sing.
मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ।
But then it's a happy occasion, so we got to sing Zindagi.
एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
Mangalam, Sunil's inner singers also come out. He was humming it. He was.
I can't sing at all.
Yeah. But
You can.
I can join you.
Okay, take the lead.
Yeah.
Take the lead.
I don't know.
You sing that.
I was thinking of मैं जिंदगी का साथ
निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा चला गया.
Anuj, you want to sing? You, I know, have a musical mood inside you. And this is Diwali. You can't say it.
Continue this.
You will not be rated for this. Trust me.
जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया, जो रह गया मैं उसको भुलाता चला गया.
Such a positive song.
So, when he said हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता, I'm sure he spoke about market fikr because he has no fikr about the market at the moment.
What would be ITC? Volume.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What about you, Mangalam? Why don't you sing that?
Mangalam, you should conclude. Give us a nice.
Actually, maybe Sonal should have joined, actually. Sonal and Mangalam,
Sonal's a great singer. Yeah, she's a better singer, right?
Let's wind this down, Mangalam, with an...
Let's wind this down. Whatever song.
Why don't you sing?
You just take it and we'll chorus.
You guys have put me on a spot now. Something to do with India, maybe. Or the stock markets for next year. We can do Hum Honge Kamyab.
हम होंगे कामयाब,
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
Talking about Ek Din, this gentleman has been doing this for the last 30 years now, every year they've been outperforming the markets.
Nimesh sir,
and been
आपको
very
बोला, why are you giving our age?
Okay, I have to ask you both. I'm sure you get asked this a lot, but what is it that keeps you going? 30 years is a long time to do the same thing over and over again. So Sunil, first to you.
I don't think we do the same thing again and again. I think that is the beauty about equity markets. So see, first of all, you are doing every day is a very different day. Second is you look at our profession, it's like such a fantastic profession. We get to meet the smartest of smartest people, the largest of largest entrepreneur. I don't think apart from media, there is no other profession who can do that. And third thing, I think it's so interesting, you know, because the kick of going right is so pleasurable, and it's not about money. I'm very sure that it's not about money only. It is a little bit about money, but you know, I think that is the biggest.
If you follow your passion, the money comes anyway, right? Is what you're trying to say.
That is true for all professions, but I think this is a little different in the sense that every day is a new challenging day. At the same time,
you know what Warren Buffett said, that money is not that important, but make sure you have enough before you say something like that. So I think that's what Sunil means, right?
And Madhu, what about you?
See, for me, I'm very, very fortunate that, all my hobby, passion, interest, everything is folded into one. And that is markets. I can't imagine my life without markets, without investing. Second, I will make a very profound statement, and I know I'm speaking in front of TV. If God gave me another birth and told me what you want, I would say exactly the same thing.
Wow.
Not a thing less, not a thing more. Trust me, I'm truly enjoying markets, truly enjoying learning. And this is like, as you spend more time, you really get better and better if you are really passionate about it. And I think hopefully the best years are ahead of us, not behind us.
Absolutely, and that is...
We are all blessed with good friends, so we learn from each other. It's very, very few professions you have that kind of camaraderie where you are learning from each other. I think that also is very important.
Absolutely. And that is a true definition of a successful life, right? That if you get a chance to do it again, all over again, you'll do the exact same thing.
Exactly.
Madhu and Sunil.
Maybe less mistakes.
But that's how you learn, I guess. It was a pleasure hosting you guys. One of the best shows that at least I've hosted. Thank you so much, and happy Diwali to all our viewers from the entire team at CNBC-TV18. Hope this is the best one yet.
And thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.